Okay, this is talking about that question. I had all these questions 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, and we're looking at number 17, which says, describe the type of data that to be collected. Okay, so now remember that we're looking for how much does the plant grow, or something like that, in different amounts of CO2. So here's our possibilities. Allow 1 credit for describing the type of data collected. Acceptable responses include, but are not limited to, the height of the plants, average number of plant leaves, total mass of the plant, the size of the leaves on the plant, the amount of urushiol produced. Allow credit for an answer consistent with the student hypothesis. In 14, the type of data must be measurable, that's a big one, and must relate to the student's hypothesis for question 14. So some possibilities. Height, average number of leaves, mass, size of the leaves, amount of urushiol. I really didn't take any ones beyond that one. So what things I didn't take: how plant reacts, that's just not measurable. Growth, you got to be specific. How are you going to measure it? Are you going to measure the mass? Are you going to measure the height? It's got to be measurable. How it quote unquote helps, not even sure what that means, but it does. The one thing it does jump out is it's not measurable. It's got to be measurable. How it's affected, another one like that. Someone mentioned that we want to collect valid data. Yeah, that's true, but what is the data? Tell me what it is. And someone mentioned CO2. Remember, data is the dependent variable, and we're looking for the data is the dependent variable, and CO2 was the independent variable, so it would not be the data. Okay, so a lot of these questions right in here, we're mentioning things that, as I said before, that either took or did not take. So these were all the incorrect ones. So okay, hopefully that helps.